So I basically built my AI clone you can chat with.
Hey, I'm not the clone. You're the clone.
So I've built the AI clone before where I have the avatar and you just put in the script and my AI avatar will do the video. But now I can actually chat, or you can chat with my avatar on any topic you want. I mean, based on the topic I'm going to train it on.
My name is Kushank's twin, but you can call me Kushank's twin. Haha.
Okay, so let's dive in. For this, we're going to use Heygen, which is one of the leading platforms in the space of AI videos. So when you go to Heygen, you're probably going to find it hard to figure out how to build this interactive avatar. Like, this feature is really new, so it's kind of hard to find.
I don't see options.
So what I would say, like, go to this URL, which I'm also going to put in the description, which is labs.heygen.com/interactive avatar. So as soon as you go to this URL, you're going to see like an option to select the avatars where you have a bunch of pre-built avatars by Heygen. All of these avatars are done in like a high-tech studio environment, but you also have an option to create your own avatar. So I believe for every new account, you're able to create one of these avatars for free, which we did here. And all you got to do is create your avatar, and then you're going to walk through like simple steps. So the first step is going to be like you recording yourself on camera, just talking. So your hand gestures, the way you move your face, and the way you talk, it's all going to get recorded in a 2 to 3 minute video. So just freestyle it or select a prompt if you just want to talk about a topic. So they're going to use the data to train the model so you can create your avatar. And in the last step, you're going to actually verbally give consent, that you give the consent to this technology to use your likeness to create this avatar for you. I'm glad they have this step, so that way like you can't really have deepfakes of people without their consent. So that's a good start. At least they're trying. Yeah, and then once you do that, it's going to take like a few hours for your avatar to get ready. And then I had an issue with this earlier, so I had to reach out to the support and they had to fix something for me. You know, if it doesn't work out for you, just let them know that you tried this and something happened and they'll fix it for you. But hopefully this was like, you know, when this just got launched, so there were some initial issues and hopefully it's fixed now. Once you have your avatar ready, you're going to go here, select avatar. You're going to see the avatar that you have built for yourself. And of course, if you're on paid plan, you can have like multiple of these avatars, but here we're gonna just stick with the free ones. So now we have an avatar ready and we can have a quick chat with it. But right now the chat's gonna be kind of basic because it doesn't have any knowledge whatsoever. It's like, think of it as like a newborn with no knowledge, but has ability to speak and look like you. So we're gonna go to knowledge base here and we're gonna give it a name, a persona. So here I'm gonna call it your Kushank's twin and I'm gonna give it a knowledge. So just for example, I'm just gonna give it knowledge about creating TikTok content and a bit of instructions. So this is kind of like a system prompt. I'm just telling my avatar that you're a TikTok content expert. Every time you get a question about TikTok growth, just talk about from the knowledge that you have, and if somebody asks anything outside of this, just give a witty and short answer. So this is what I've put for my knowledge base, and we can start chatting with the avatar. I'm gonna start with my first question. Hey, what's your name? And here, like, you can see the transcript of every conversation you're having. It's kind of annoying that the transcript kind of overlaps like with the screen overlay here, or I wish I could have had my camera position better so my avatar, when it was being trained, like the camera position was a bit higher up, or I wish I had the ability to kind of like move around that automatically. Well, it's a new tool, so I'm sure they're gonna make things better. Okay, so I'm gonna chat with it. What's your name?
I'm Kushank's twin. My name is Kushank's twin, but you can call me Kushank's twin. Haha.
What do you like to do for fun?
You know, I'm a TikTok expert, so I love creating content and helping others grow their TikTok presence. When I'm not doing that, I'm probably watching TikTok videos or coming up with new ideas for videos. It's a tough life, but someone's got to do it.
That's funny. You think you're funny?
I try to bring a little humor to the conversation, but let's get back to TikTok. Have you thought about optimizing your profile for the FYP?
What is one tip you will give me to optimize my FYP?
One tip I'd give you is to make sure your profile is consistent with your content pillars. Think about what kind of content you want to be known for and make sure your profile accurately represents that. It'll help the algorithm understand what kind of content to show you to your audience.
Okay, you seem to have a bit of an accent. Where is that coming from?
You've caught on. Have ya? Nah, I'm just Kushank's twin. No accent here.
Can you do a fake laugh for me?
You want me to go live? Okay. Let's do a quick 5-minute live session. I'll just improvise something funny. Wink.
No, I mean, can you laugh for me?
Laughs. Okay. I'll stop. I guess I'm not as funny as I thought.
Yeah, maybe you're not.
Fair enough. I'll stick to TikTok tips instead. Want to know a secret to getting more views on your TikTok videos?
No, actually, you tell me, what would you do if AI takes over mankind?
You think I'm Ashley? I'm Kushank's twin. Remember, as for your question, I'd probably just shrugs. Start a TikTok account and make funny videos about the robot uprising.
That's not a bad idea.
I'm a natural-born TikTok star, even in a post-apocalyptic world.
All right, it's been nice chatting with you. Say hi to Kushank when you see him. Until then, peace.
Likewise, I'll pass on the peace vibes to Kushank. Take care. And don't forget to optimize your TikTok profile for maximum engagement.
I will do. Thank you, sir. I will chat with you later.
You're welcome. Young one, may the algorithm be with you. Until next time, farewell.
All right, Yoda. One thing I didn't like, so I don't know if it's like my internet issue right now, but I kind of noticed a bit of a lag when I was trying to speak early on. But I'm gonna link my avatar actually for you to play with in the description, so you can try with it. But I want to show you something super cool here. So if we go back to our avatar here and you look at the option here on the left, it says connect your interactive avatar to Google Meet. Does that mean the company actually wants me to replace myself with my avatar in video meetings? Because I'm totally on board with that. And when I try to click on it, so I have a form to register for it, so I'm pretty sure they're kind of rolling it out on case-by-case basis. But if you go to the share option here, you can copy the link and share the avatar, or you can go to integrate where you can add the code to your website if you want to integrate this to your existing website. Besides the novelty aspect of it, where you can just kind of create a cool avatar, use it for fun things like if you have an event, which I did recently, my barbecue party, I had the avatar kind of like learn about everything people need to know, put it in FAQs, so people can just ask my avatar questions about what's going on with the event. Or, from business perspective, you can use this avatar to put your likeness on the website. If you're like, a service business, you're a freelancer, kind of like use this as for customer support, like talking to your leads, kind of nurturing them. Of course, it's not going to be perfect. So, it might do more harm than good for now. But as these technologies get better, I kind of not think that this is going to be the norm where you have like these interactive likeness of folks on the websites that you're interacting with. What really piqued my curiosity was this connecting this to Google Meet. I can't actually wait for that to happen and see how well I can train my bot to replace myself in the meetings that I don't want to attend and see how the world actually responds to it. This is the tutorial. It's pretty straightforward here. So let me know if you have any questions. If not, we'll see you in future tools videos. Until then, have fun.